Welcome everybody. The intention of this video is to show how I extract bolts out of this wood burning stove that we have at home. Maybe it will be helpful for somebody in case they have a stove like this and they need to do repairs. So how this works, the stove puts itself together with side plates like this. You can see it has almost like forks, and then it's got threads in the top. Now, in this particular case, what alerted us to a problem is actually first of all a crack that developed in the side plate. You can see I now welded this piece back together here. It's cast iron, so it's quite tricky to weld. But anyway, that's the side plate. Then, on looking a bit more, I noticed that there were several rusted off screws. Quite amazing, like totally rusted away. So basically, the ones that I haven't managed to extract, I'm going to have to somehow retap. And I'll show you how I do that. First of all, I grind it flat with an angle grinder. Right, so I've basically now ground the remaining piece of a bolt that stuck out there flat, so I can see the center of it quite nicely. And then I take a center punch and I go nicely to the center and give it a tap. Not entirely in the center. I'll work it a little bit, centralize it. Okay, then once I've done that, I take a 5mm drill. The reason for that is these are 6mm bolts, and I go onto the center there. Be helpful to support just by something. Okay, now I've got to be careful that I don't drill right through the whole plate, so I've got to gauge it a bit. Let's have a bit of a measure, so I'll take the drill, stick it in there, just put my fingernail there. I can see. Yeah, I'm going to leave it at that. And then I take a 6mm tap and I run that in there. It's cast iron, so cast iron doesn't need any lubrication oil for tapping. course important to get the chips out the bottom. So this is the 5th one that I've done repaired like this. It works. Taking the stove apart is quite a patience game, a lot of time, and I guess now it's going to be putting the things back together. I hope this might be helpful if somebody has a stove like this and they were thinking of repairing it. Thank you for watching.